Kelly, how do you write powers as repeated multiplication?
Well, you take the power, so like say that you have 5 to the power of 3, you write it as 5 times 5 times 5. Because all powers are is number times itself, however many times the exponent is.
But how do you make repeated multiplication as a power?
Well, it's the opposite. So say you have 5 times 5 times 5, then it would be equal to 5 to the power of 3.
How do negatives affect powers?
If you have a negative, it affects the power by making the base number negative or not. So say you have bracket -6 bracket to the power of 2. It would become brackets -6 times brackets -6. But if you have -6 to the power of 2, then it's -6 times 6. And if you have negative bracket -6 to the power of 2, it would be negative bracket -6 times -6.
What is the zero power law?
It's like, what number is this? 20,501 to the power of 0 equals 1 unless it's negative, like -4 to the power of 0. Then it's -1.
So you're saying that anything to the power of 0 is 1?
Yes.
Unless it's negative.
And then it's -1.
Oh.
How do you write numbers using powers of 10?
Well, Randy, you first take all your numbers and times them by 10 to the power of however many are behind them. Like, if you have 1,000, you do 1 times 10 cubed. But you don't have to do the zeros because they're not important. How does
the order of operations work, Callie? Like if I have bracket -6 bracket to the power of 3 times 4 bracket -4 bracket divided by bracket 5 to the power of 3.
Oh gosh. Okay. Well, friend. Okay. Use the math. So you go B equals brackets. So you do the brackets. And then you do E, which is the exponent. So you do the exponents. And then you do, what's next? D, which is division. So then there's no division. Oh yeah, there is. I lied. There's division. So you do that, and then multiplication, and then you do that, and then adding. So you do that, and then subtracting. And there wasn't any adding, so you just do the subtracting.